May, the month of Labor Day, Maharashtra Day, Gujarat Day, Apus, and new salary amount getting credited for all of us. Anyways, so month of May, very very great, and with greatness comes goals, because G for great, G for goals. In this video, we are going to be discussing my May goals. No guesses, we are going to be starting with completing. I am currently in the SQL Windows stage, which takes the longest because नहीं सिखाया कॉलेज में. I am not sure how relevant SQL window functions are in the industry right now. I am actually not sure how relevant SQL is, और कितने data analyst लोग actually SQL query लिख रहे हैं. Because from what I saw on Instagram, one reel, and she mentioned that they work on Excel because stakeholders do not understand SQL, and they are very chill with Excel. So if you are data analyst, data scientist, data architect, let me know. Okay? No, don't let me know what you are. Let me know if you guys use SQL. Okay, the next thing we are going to be doing is I made this beautiful drawing. So when I got time, let me tell you story time. So on the 27th of last month, which is not April but March, I underwent this life changing surgery of getting rid of my power from the eyes. So now I'm powerless. Anyways, so that restricts you from any digital devices at least for 2 days. What I did was I stayed away from digital devices for a total of 7 days. 7 days, Thala, for a reason. And in those 7 days, I had a lot of time to self reflect. So I ended up solving this one puzzle. I made this beautiful drawing. I didn't practice guitar, or I didn't practice it, but I did start learning keyboard, which is great. You know how expensive it is to learn instruments? That is that. I did get back to dancing. So May is going to see me dancing more. And then I am getting back to making clothes, especially ones that I can wear to the office. So I will be making a lot of those things. I have been looking at tutorials. I found a few. So I will be doing those. And I have this, I made this, I think it has been around 3 years. This is just the bottom half part of a crochet cow, which was very popular, I think 2 or 3 years ago on the internet, and that is when I started it. I never really ended up finishing this. I wanted to make it for my nephew actually. He's going to be 10. He is already 10 months old. Anyways, we'll be doing that in May. So May is going to be a lot of fun. I have a few things on which I'm going to be making videos. It's not just going to be SQL, because it's just SQL, it's getting boring for me. Also, I need to learn new things, and I need to document those things also, so that if things change, I know who to blame. Myself, because what we learned in college is not that relevant anymore, right? So क्योंकि हमको कभी एग्जाम्पल ही नहीं दिया भाई कि तुम clustering, classification, association, you can just have the example of Swiggy to learn what it is. Such a huge platform, there is an example जिसको as a case study लेके you can make a crowd of 40 people जिसमें से only 2 are interested. You can make those 2 people understand what it really is. So I'm going to be having a little more case study based approach to whatever I say from now on, except for SQL. ठीक है? So yeah, that's that. One more thing which I have to mention, which is also going to be a very important part of my May, is story time. So the second week of March, I was at my sister's place, and she mentioned something which stuck with me. She was like, "You know a lot of things on the surface level, but there's not a lot that you know in depth. So you might be knowing say 5 things, but तुमको उसमें से एक भी चीज enough नहीं पता है for you to hold a conversation." um Something along those lines, which hit me hard, because that is kind of true. I know a lot of things, but I do not know things well in depth, right? मतलब मुझे algorithms ऊपर ऊपर से पता होंगे, मुझे how does airplane work मुझे ऊपर ऊपर से पता होगा, why is it essential for you to turn on the aeroplane mode when you are in flight? Do you know, right? ऑल्सो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्लाइट्स, अगर बाहर से ऐसे कभी देखा होगा तो थोड़े थोड़े बादल ऐसे बहुत ही बिखरे बिखरे दिखते हैं एंड थोड़े थोड़े लुक वेरी डेंस. व्हाई इज इट सो? I took that to heart and I have a list of 42 questions. 42 questions with me, which for which the answers would be via Google. I am avoiding using AI. Okay, so I'm going to be using Google. ठीक है. 4-5 साल पहले हम चैट जीपीटी नहीं कर रहे थे भाई ऐसे सारे सवालों के लिए, हम लोग गूगल कर रहे थे. तो मैं भी गूगल करने वाली हूँ. आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड. देयर आर गोइंग टू बी क्वाइट अ फ्यू इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस. That's it. I hope you are going to follow along. I want to know what are your May goals. I hope you have goals, da, because what's the use then? Because G for greatness, G for gold. May the month of May see an increase in your salary. Ta-da!